Hey guys, it is it is Tuesday, but this is going to be for Wednesday's information. So I'm going to talk through, even with the students I saw today and the students that I'm going to see on Thursday, so you know exactly what you should be doing. If you are my all virtual students, you should be following along with my students technically in my group A, but also I will see you in Zoom tomorrow at 10 a.m. You'll be getting a link tomorrow because of safety issues within Zoom and making sure everything's safe. There's some protocols that are different now, and so I will give you that link in your announcements by 9:30, 9:40, and then you can hop on at 10. So, my students that I saw today, you guys worked on, and I'm showing you this screen because this is my board. It's updated. You guys worked on the old and new working document that has all your assignment names that you might have missing. You also reviewed inference and did some Jamboard vocabulary. And then you guys did accept my 6th period, a quick Google form about what you know about inference and what you learned today. And then you were working on the Part 4 RL71. So that means that you were working on, in your Ready book, RL71 Part 4. So that means I'm in lesson 5. And you guys were working on pages, let me get there, 48 and 49. And I told y'all could do this in your book and submit a picture. You could do it in your book and give it to me physically next Monday, or you could do it online, and I showed you how to do that. And if you're my virtual students, it's the same thing. So I wanted you today to open up the old working document that has all the information about all the assignments, and then I wanted you to also be working here. I'm going to quickly show my virtual students only what that looks like, because all my other students, group A and group B, know what this is. If you are all virtual and you have not gone to week 4, Inference Review RL RI71 for week 4, and you've watched these videos, make sure you do that, my virtual students. But for the handout for missing work document, that's where the document is. You open it. Again, it's an assignments for all what we've done up until this point, and you go ahead and you make your own copy. So click File, make a copy, and follow the rest of the instructions. Put your name, and then you would exit out of this one. But once you're on your document, you would put check here if it's complete, and then your points, if whatever your points for those scores are, and everything is in PowerSchool, then you would share it with me. Okay, so as Sarah Claxton at iss.k12.nc.us. All right, now I'm going to refer now to my group B. My group B, guys, I am seeing you on Thursday. Okay, what you should have done today is, I'm going to get back out to my page, and what you should have been working on is, again, just like my other students, finishing that document that has all the missing work. You should have been working on the Part 4 just like my students at school, which again is here, and it was in your module, or you could do it here. You had the handout, you had the link to the Google form, and I wanted you to add into that. What I mean is, when you had opened this up, your Google form was right here. How do you open that up? Well, it's inside of that same Canvas section. And so that means that I've come to my modules, and that means I've scrolled down to where it says, again, week 4, and I'm in the group B, and everything is there. It tells you what you need to do. Again, it goes step by step by step. It tells you watch the 2 videos. It says everything that I'm saying right now. So hopefully you did that. And then, again, There's here another handout, but yours should be in Google Drive. This is the part 4 that I was talking about. Again, it's the same thing. It even tells you to use this if you're doing it online, because again, this is my assignment. So it opens up to a PDF and you go to DocHub and you then share it with me. And then to get to that handout for the Google form, I'm sorry, I'm rabbit trailing, you would click the link here to fill out the Google form. How do you make an inference? What helps to support your inference? Think about what we did last Thursday and Friday. What punctuation would you use if you cited text evidence? And then you would submit that. So that was supposed to be done today. If you need to get back into the actual slideshow that I have here, it is probably right here. No, it is not. It actually then would be in the Group A, all virtual. And you could click that even though you're not Group A, and the slideshow link right there. Okay, so I kind of just talked to Group A, my virtual, and Group B of what you needed to do today. If you did not get all of that finished, do not worry, you have tomorrow. So tomorrow is an extenuation of what you did not finish. So a lot of you are going to be working on that document, my Group A, my virtual, and my Group B, where it gives you the assignment. You got to go in PowerSchool and see what you've done. I'm updating those grades as well tonight and tomorrow. Next, you did part 4, okay, which is page 48 and 49, or you did it online, and it's with RL71, lesson 5. Next, did you do your Google form today in class? Good job. If you were not in my class, you did not do this, so do this, do that Google form. And then, specifically my Group B, did you watch and listen and read A Long Walk to Waters, chapter 1 and 2? I have the 2 videos of me reading chapter 1, and then there's a recording as well for chapter 2, and I've given you the text. That's all you needed to do. Just know that we are reading a short little novel called A Long Walk to Water, my Group B and my Group A, but that's coming. And we're not going to potentially read the whole thing. We're just reading sections, and we're working on inference. But you just need to know that you need to have that read. So that, again, that's today, which is Tuesday, and that's tomorrow's work. When Thursday comes, okay, there'll be a video for you just like this that explains to my Group A students what you then need to be focusing on. And then if I have you, you're my Group B, and we'll be working on A Long Walk to Water, okay? So this is just a quick video about what you should have done today, what you're doing tomorrow. Again, I will be Zooming at 10 a.m., Miss Claxton for Language Arts. Be there if you're virtual. It's a must. If you are not virtual and you want to pop on, ask questions, see if something's not doing something right, or you don't understand something, please pop on, use that time. I'll be there from about 10 all the way to about 10:40, and that time will be used for people to get on there, okay? So if you have questions, please reach out. I know I'm emailing students right now that with questions and things of submission, and that's fine. So keep up with your work. Make sure you're doing it. Share everything with me. Check PowerSchool. Keep working hard so you can get the work done, so you can feel successful and be successful already in my class, okay? I thank you for your time. I hope that you've watched this. I will either see you on Zoom, I will see you tomorrow, or Thursday, or Friday, or next Monday. Have a wonderful night.